WhatsApp new update. Access any WhatsApp on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the new WhatsApp update and access it on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if your WhatsApp application requires an update, you generally open up your Play Store, because the Play Store is from where you downloaded WhatsApp. Now if you have been using the App Store, you can also use the App Store if you're on iOS. And over here you can just go ahead and then try to search for WhatsApp, see if it has an update available, because if it has, you'll most likely see an update button there. So you might want to actually tap on the update option and then just make sure to update WhatsApp Messenger application to the latest version. After you have done that, you can go ahead and then open up WhatsApp here and then just tap on agree and continue, and just make sure to enter your phone number and log into your account and access your account in that way. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically update WhatsApp and access it on your phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.